Alright, Devin appearing on back, and today I got the new Polaroid Go, and also it comes with some color film. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it, talk about it, see what this thing can do. If I'm looking at the box, it looks really small. Look at the person's hand, it's really small like that, just taking a picture of it. The smaller the better, right? I don't know, I can't relate. Let's get it started. Polaroid Go, analog instant camera, a pocket-sized Polaroid instant camera that's ready to go when you are selfie ready. Put yourself in a photo with a selfie mirror and self-timer. Double exposure, get 2 moments in the one photo with the built-in double exposure feature. Rechargeable battery that lasts up to 15 film packs based on typical use. This camera works with Polaroid Go film. All right, so next I'm gonna unbox it. Look at that, it's already looking at you, right? Alright, so first we got the Polaroid Go camera itself. Really small. That's dope how it got a viewfinder, and also that we got the power button on top. You got the snap and the flash on top. We're gonna go over that later. We got the Polaroid Go. Next we got a cable for it. This can be used as a charger and used as a link cable to connect to the computer. Next, we got a string to hold it onto some or hold it onto the person. Next, we got some stickers. That's pretty cool. We got a little warranty, and then we got a little quick start guide. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You got a little mini wallpaper for it. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Oh, on the back, it looks pretty cool too. And look, you got a step-by-step picture guide too. I mean, come on now, like, I could read. All right, so let's talk about the Polaroid Go. So right here, you have the film insert. You got the flash, of course, you got the views. Right here is the viewfinder. And right here is, the lens. On top, you got the snap button, flash. On the back, you got the power button. And what is this? Okay, so on the bottom, of course, you got the film insert itself. The side, let's not forget, we got the USB insert to insert from this to whatever device, computer, whatever you're gonna insert it into to upload your pictures. I think this is a pretty nice device. It really is small, Polaroid Go. All right, then next we got the Film Go. Okay, so when you unbox it, it actually comes with 2 films. Alright, so when you unbox it, as you've seen, it actually comes with free stickers inside. Oh, okay. It's literally stickers, like not stickers that we thought of, what I thought of. Actual stickers to actually use these stickies to place the picture and the film on and hang them up somewhere on the wall or board, poster board, or whatever you want to. All right, so next I'm gonna insert the film into here. All right, bet, easy. Snap on, place it. I ain't gonna lie, that was scary. I know what that was. And it spat this black thing out. I don't know what this is. Oh, just pretty much saying, are you ready? Do not remove this dark side. Oh my gosh, I just ruined it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I really hope I didn't ruin it. Like, seriously, I hope I didn't ruin it. If I did, come on now. It's me here, guys. All right, so I got the Polaroid ready. I'm gonna take a picture of myself. As you guys see, it has the number 8. This is how many films that you have left. All right, so we got the subject. I'm looking at myself. And I'm gonna take a picture of myself, see how it goes. All right, so I took a picture of myself. It's coming out really slowly, but you see it though. So I'm gonna finish up this video. I guess I'm gonna go over the guidebook, kind of finish this up, and we'll see how this turns out at the end. You can kind of see it, but you really can't. You know, it's definitely me. All right, I'm gonna let you guys look at the pictures while I go over this. Number 1, turn on the Polaroid camera go by pressing the on button, which is right here. Number 2, slide the film door button across and pull the door open. So that was this part right here. Match the color of the film case with the color indicated on the camera. Slide the thick end of the cassette first and let it drop into place. Leave the pull tab on the film as you need that to later to remove the empty film pack. That was this part right here. Gotta match it up. Close the film door until it clicks. The dark side cover by the film shield will eject. All right, you see it close. As you see, the more and more I talk, the more it's, you know, coming to. Remove the dark side and allow the film shield to roll back in. So when I took a picture, this black film head came out and I pulled this picture out from it, and this black film rolled back into the film, into the camera. Aim at your subject and press the shutter button. The flash will trigger automatically. Be careful you do not cover the flash with your finger. This is the flash. Don't cover the flash with your finger. Try a selfie, which I did. Place the view. The viewfinder has its own reflective selfie mirror. Place yourself in the middle of it, then take the photo. All right, well, I did that without reading it, and I think I did a pretty good job. This does have like a mirror on it. It's, as you see the ring light. The photo will eject underneath the film shield. Leave it in there for 5 seconds, then gently lift the film shield and let it roll back, then remove the photo. Don't shake the photo. Place the photo in a dark place or face down on a flat surface to shield it from the light. Wow. I guess I should have read first. Look at it. I got a ring light. I got another light. Terrible. I'm doing a terrible job, guys. Wow. Terrible. I'm terrible. And that's it. Maybe I should have read first. Talking about I can read. I should have just looked at the pictures. All right, guys, and now it's a Polaroid Go. I like this little thing. This little thing is so small. It's dope. I think it's pretty cool. I like how small it is. I like the colors. I like the rainbow color of it, honestly. It just feels so retro when I look at it. It's Polaroid. Polaroid is freaking retro. I think this is like one of its best products. I did like the other Polaroid that I had. I think that one was nice too, but I'm liking this one more because it's smaller and it's like an actual camera, you know? Like I said, you got a viewfinder, you just point, click, boom. Instant film, and it's still coming out. I think I ruined it, but as you guys can see, it's me. But all right, guys, this is Devin Up. I'm out. Throw them threes up for your boy. I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys have fun with this video. I'm out. Throw them threes up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. What do we think about the Polaroid Go?